And we are back, guys. Hoping for a good power hour today. Thank you guys all for being here. You guys can hear me and see my screen all good? We all good. YouTube should be here. What is good? Get into it. Yap time. Get it. L to the yes. All right. Appreciate y'all for being back. Like I said, we're back with another power hour. Starting it off, we've been getting hit with some sideways movement, guys. It's been absolutely honestly kind of trash. We're looking at these sells yesterday on what was it, US 30 when it was all the way up in here. If you guys took it once the session ended, it actually played out a little bit just for it to continue all the way back up, just for it to dump overnight during London. Absolutely crazy. So we're a little bit early to it. It looks like all we needed was this last little draw on liquidity, which was from the New York highs from yesterday. I hope you guys who were maybe awake last night kind of caught this. You could see that we directly came up, took out the session high, distributed super down, and although it was super choppy here on this retest, I mean honestly super choppy, you should see this as kind of like a head and shoulders where we have like the left shoulder, head, retest, and then continue down. So easy. Does Club BR40 currently there's no activation? That was for yesterday. I told you guys yesterday, go get your guys' accounts. Someone said they wanted no activation fee. I said, all right, boom. You guys go get it today. I told the team, and if you guys bought an account yesterday, you guys got your activation fee on all of it. But yeah, definitely get your guys' accounts ready. Let's be back. You guys are lit. Thank you guys for being back. When it comes to what we're looking for, guys, we're pretty close to the previous day lows, which that to me as of now is where I think price could go to. You can see we have this hit out. We're taking out these highs at power hour. I could see us coming back down there a bit. The only reason, like honestly, I would be looking for more buys if two things didn't happen. Here, actually, let's quiz you guys. What two things could have happened that would make me want to do that? Look, I mean, I don't know, GRX. What do you want me to do right now while I'm live, bro? How about you open a ticket and get help? Like, what do you want me to do? You check it out after. Sweet, exactly. Where? So there's two things. One of you guys keep saying the one thing. Make sure we select the account. Oh yeah, that happens too, guys. Actually, I might as well just make an announcement about that. Over on Black Arrow, guys, when you guys are on the mobile version, you guys click on it. One of the accounts is like a Black Arrow simulated account that you can open. One of them says simulator, one of them says legacy fund of futures and has your account number. So just, I feel like it's pretty self-explanatory to make sure that you're clicked on your account number, but just make sure you're not clicked on like something that's, not your account. So two things, you guys keep saying the sweep thing. All right. There's two things, right? For me to have been looking for buys right now instead of sells, what would have had to happen is, first off, these highs didn't get taken out. We've already come up and taken out the previous New York highs, previous day highs. I guess previous day highs all the way up here. We took out the previous New York highs, swept all the way back down, and have broken down to the downside. And the second thing that we could look for, if it would, to make it valid, is if this would have already came down and swept the previous day lows. But we haven't. So in my head, what I'm thinking is that we've already tried to come up, retested, buyers tried to push price up here, took it out one final time, and sellers took control and pushed it right back down. So I would say that I'm kind of looking for sells into these previous day lows, which if you look left, is still just these previous New York lows, right? So that in my head is what's making sense as of now, is that sellers are kind of in control. Of course, on this hourly, we've kind of opened up, come up into here. Oh, it looks like we actually are taking out this previous hourly high right here. Yeah, I honestly don't mind this. Honestly, do not mind this. Guess I'll wait a sec. We have no top wick on this 5 minutes. Maybe we can re-sweep it, but I do like the sells from right here. Continuation sells, yeah. We've been getting hit with some pretty brutal price action, so I don't really want to jump in right off the bat. Let's wait for this 15-minute open in 2 minutes and maybe look for something. But yeah, I hope this 15-minute kind of comes, wicks up into here, and then starts to kind of turn around. Buyers failed to establish dominance, and the sellers smacked them down after PCE news this morning. Exactly. Buyers tried to push up. You could see that, like, you know, we tried to push up. We had this huge liquidation. Now we're pushing back down. So this is on YM, guys. If we go to NASDAQ, less target to the downside because we've swept, right? Like, hope you guys kind of see that. And it's like uglier. Like, look at all this like sideways movement, guys. Like, no shit, you guys have been, you know, if you guys been getting smacked up or you're getting caught in consolidation, like for me personally, like, you know, I just feel like we're getting into good trades, but they're not going to our further TPs. Get what I'm saying? Turn the indicator on, yes sir. We'll be trading, I guess we'll be trading YM today. Potentially. YM. We have a fair value gap, but we're also tapping right here. YM would be 2 contracts. Who knows, guys? Maybe we'll take this first trade. If we get stopped, guess what? I'll take a second sell. I will take a freaking second sell. We're trying to catch a direction today, guys. We've been getting caught in such sideways action. I'm trying to catch a... Like, I want like a nice 1 to 3. Like, when's the last time you had a nice 1 to 3 without it coming back to break even? It's been so choppy. Let's see. There's a pretty healthy top wick on the NQ15 with the 15-minute about to open. Exactly. 15 minutes opened. Starting to push. I just wish we had some sort of IFG to play off of. Are you in already? No. We'll get in on here. On here. Has that ever happened on Power Hour? Has whatever happened? Are you in already? No, bro, like I said. SF, bro. Oh my god, bro. I don't know who you're talking to. That's so funny. What you drinking, coach? I got a yerba mate and water. Luca, do you take payouts with Legacy? I can, bro, but I trade on my live account. I trade on my live, but you know, that's why I still try to get in for both of you guys. I know that like Chris. Oh no, Chris, Mark, and Nick all have. Chris is at 1. I think Mark's had 2 or 3. I don't know how many Nick is at. I know at least 1. I live in a town where they make yerba Sebastopol. Bro, guess where I'm from? Guess where I'm from, bro? Actually, I probably shouldn't say it. Never mind. But just know I'm from that area, bro. I'm from Sebastopol area, where I was born and raised. I saw hitting 3 yeah, bro. Like we usually don't take 3 trades during power hour. I mean, it'd be fun. Like at the end of the day, guys, when I first started trading power hour, I was taking like 3 trades a session. Why? Because I was micro scalping. Micro scalping, going for quick, small stop losses, going for. I mean, I don't know if you guys go watch any other like futures live stream scalpers, but bro, guys, like we hold trades much farther than a lot of other people do that live stream the 1 minute on NASDAQ. They literally have like one candle stop losses going for previous, you know. So why could buys happen on M because of the change of character? Bro, I wouldn't buy. Just wondering because you trade power hour every day. What does that mean though? We trade power hour every day. Like no shit. Do we like we're here every single day trading power hour? What? Looking at NASDAQ on the 30, both look pretty similar. Hell yeah. Dude, the Redwoods is my jam. Oh hell yeah, you've been to the Redwoods and stuff? Bro, I love it up there. 22 years in SF, let's go. Y'all be in the cool places that I'm surrounded by corn. How long you been on the eval that one account? Bro, this account I literally opened today. Like literally took my first trade on it to test it before here. Why is it always Louis, chat? Why is it always Louis? Bro, how's your account, Louis? How's your trading going? Like, why the fuck is it always Louis, bro? Like, dude. Extra slow, I know, bro. That's so fucking funny. I know, let's see. We gotta be slow for real. I don't know, bro. It's just one of those guys. Louis, why you stay talking? I know. Should we just mute him so he can only just watch? Like, what's the bottom dollar you'd feel comfortable trading on a live account? It just depends. Let's go for it. I mean, trade power every day with you. Bro, because I literally trade on my account. I don't always trade on that one. I don't know, bro. All right, actually, this is so funny. Dude, that's so fucking funny. Easy. But Luke, help! I got my first payout. Yeah, bro. Congrats. Nafi in the chat just requested his first payout from what's it called? From Legacy today. Congrats, bro. And trade on the 1 minute or the 5 minute. I mean, bro, what I don't like is we keep reacting off the same gap. Luca, do you not care about burgers? What does that mean? I don't really think I understand what you're asking. Dude, eat fast food? Not really, bro. I'll eat In-N-Out like once and whatever if my girl wants it, but really don't eat that much fast food. My girl's a hella good cook, and then we usually just go to like nice restaurants. Bro got bullied out of the kingdom. How Lily just now left. No, bro, I muted him or whatever. Like, bro, I'm not gonna like at the end of the day, guys. Like, I hope you guys know. Some of you guys get it, but I come here. I do this free for you guys every single day, calling trades for you guys, trying to like bring good vibes, whatever. Guys, it literally is as easy as just showing up, bringing good vibes to the community, and we'll all just win together. If you guys all are in the chat, oh, what does that do for anyone in the chat? What does it do for yourself? You guys should be here learning, taking trades with us, appreciating all the coaches for like going live for you guys. But instead, just people bitching in the chat all day. And I feel like for a while, like we didn't have any yet, but bro, like the last like couple months has just been like fucking, whatever. So, what are we trading today? We're looking at YM. We're sitting within this fair value gap. So like I know a lot of you guys might think like, should we buy above here? I don't really, I don't want to take these buys really. What do you get below you guys? Do you think you can live an unhealthy lifestyle and be a good trader as in drinking, smoking, staying up late? Nah, bro, fuck no. Hell no. 50 bucks, let's go look at exit out. Just gonna let's go. You exit out of what? What'd you get into? Or that's not moving for shit. I know, bro. I mean, guys, that's why I even said when we first got on here. We've been getting caught with like sideways movements. I think a lot of you guys think that like the coaches move the markets and that like whatever I say is what the markets want to do. Bro, I wish. That'd be the easiest thing ever. We show up at the same time, we've been doing the same thing. And yeah. No bias, just need volume. Literally, like at the end of the day, like we always take a winning trade when there's volume. Even when there's low volume, guys, we'll take a winning trade. It'll come back to break even. It's just so annoying. I'll take it to California. In-N-Out's overrated. Hell no, bro. In-N-Out's so good. Might not be like the best burger you've ever had, right? Like there's really good burgers, but for a fast food restaurant, bro, there's nothing else. Smash burgers low key better than, bro. Your opinion? I can't even trust you for a trade. You saying that? What makes taking a regular patty and just making it more thin fucking better? What makes a smash burger better? That's so funny. Yeah, your opinion now is over. What are your hobbies, Luca, besides trading in golf? Bro, Cali shit, going to the beach, surfing. I wish I skated more. I live downtown now, so I don't really do it as much, but I used to like skate longboard and shit. But working on projects, trading, bro. Like I'm always doing stuff outside of whatever. Hanging with the wifey. I think Five Guys overrated, but I like Shake Shack's fire. Five Guys is good. I'm eating like that, dude. Like I said, I grew up eating all that, guys. I don't really eat fast food anymore. What kind of project, bro? It's just different projects. Anything I want to start. I have so many things that you guys don't even know about. Or that I start, like, guys, think about, like, last week. What did I create last week? I noticed, you guys needed whatever. So what do? Create an indicator for all you guys. That literally, what was a common question people keep saying? Oh, Luca, what contract size do I use? How much do I risk if I want to do whatever? Not that I don't want to answer, guys, but like literally, like it's just right here. Like you can just look up in the corner now. Is it possible to set 2 charts at the same time on Black Arrow? Yes. How you would do it is like over here. Minimize it or something. There's a way to do it. I did it before. I have to remember. Remember when you like here, like if we exit out the chart. Oh, we're on the YM. Trying to think how I did it. I just know that has to do with something for when you set the screen, you can put it in the middle. Or here maybe? I'll figure it out and I'll let you know, but I know it's somewhere around here. I know it's somewhere around here. Top left. The charts. Somewhere in here. I'm paying $25 for a burger combo, fam. You guys are funny today. Alright, here, let's go here real quick. This. Go back over to NASDAQ. Hey, well, so how about this? You know how I quizzed you guys about US 30? You know how I quizzed you guys about US 30? About why we would want to take sells instead of buys? Why wouldn't we want to take sells on NASDAQ? Someone tell me. Go my people, what's good? Buys my people, yes sir. What are you guys looking at in the chat? Easy as that. Wait a couple weeks ago because you guys are fucking hilarious. Bro, like I said, guys, actually here, what we could do is we'll just do a challenge where we go through and have to take it from start to finish and then go through it. But guess what, guys? You guys will get nowhere in life. Nowhere. Trying to see what the next person's doing or whatever, guys. Was it so upset with myself after 7 months of evals? Finally got my first funded 2 days ago. No, guys. Real requiz. Why would we not take sells on NASDAQ? But yeah, guys, for anyone on YouTube or whatever, like I said, is for everyone who's been on the streams, you guys see me, or on what is it, Asia session, guys. Every single trade we take, I send from my phone into the chat to show the entry, show whatever. If we want to do like a strict challenge, maybe we'll have to do it. We'll start on one account, we'll go through and start it from beginning to whatever and reach to a payout. But you guys got to think, is that what does that do for all of you guys as traders who literally like, what do you guys want to do? Do you guys want to grow your own accounts and learn how to get your own payouts? Or you guys want to just one time, go through, get one payout, but not know how you did it? It's the whole concept, like you can bring a horse to a river and like, or you can, what is it? Oh no, the fish thing, right? You can feed a man a fish or teach him how to fish for life. Do you guys want to just get one payout and not know how, or like, you guys want one fish and not learn how to fish? Or do you guys want to learn how to freaking learn to fish so you guys can get all your own? That's why we're here every day, is we're going over setups, going over every single thing that you guys need to be profitable. Put the pieces together. You guys all need to learn as well how to manage your accounts, how to do everything. I'm just here telling you guys literally every time I answer you guys' questions in the chat, tell you what we're looking for, the bias. Easy as that. Did you put the entry and stuff in the chat? Yeah, guys, everyone here that who trades Asia with me, I used to never do that, and honestly, I might even stop doing that because like, who do I have to prove whatever? Every single trade I take a screenshot on my phone on my broker to send it in. Whenever I put my stop loss to break even, I take a screenshot and send it in the chat so people can see. I've literally done that every single day to try to show you guys. All right, here's my entry. Here's my stop losses. Here's whatever. I do that every single day in the chat. But now that I think about it, and dude, like you get like why, like literally why? Bro, since AI fix, I know that's crazy, bro. I haven't heard from bro since. I literally haven't heard from bro since we exposed him for that. Are we still waiting for YM? Yeah, I mean, bro, we're still here. I'm down to take the exact same thing, bro. Luke and the Legacy team always deliver exactly. You've been doing this for years, they don't know. By now, I've literally been live streaming on YouTube since 2022, guys. So instead of people being like, yo, Luca, like, how can I whatever, bro, I'm literally gonna be like, how about you just go watch videos from fucking 4 years ago and then we'll talk. I'm not gonna let someone who's been trading for 4 weeks. Tell me something. Is why I'm on AC Trader? I don't even know what AC Trader is, bro. What are you trading on? Probably gonna chop until 4 p.m. I just think what's crazy is that the last couple days, we literally will hop on, price will go in one direction, we'll get all excited for a trade, and then it just does this. And it just does this the whole time that we're staring at it. It's almost like it knows when we're hopping on. What you mean I'm here? What up, bro? Lots of people here lining up at the Long John Silvers. I'm looking for those who want to head to the boat. Exactly. Exactly. Yeah, and guys, at the end of the day, I know you could argue like, all right, well, you know, oh, I want to do that so we all can reach to it. Bro, I don't know why. Like, that doesn't benefit. I want you guys all to become, you know, you guys all to become profitable. Easy as that. What up, people on YouTube? Luke and the Legacy team always deliver. You've been doing this for years. They don't know by now. Deadass, you watch his lives. He even shows where he got into everything. I love your vids from years ago. Thank you, bro. Yeah, bro, I've really been doing it for too many years, guys. I'm not listening to anything. Honestly, I don't understand why they care about that. Like, enter when he calls it and exit when he does. If you want to just copy, then just do that. Yeah. Sends your entry instead of lose your entry. Like I said, guys, it's always just a couple people. It's always the same people. How about learn how to trade on your own? Well, that's what these are for. Like, at least I'm here doing it for free, like trying to teach you guys. Like, what? Luke, you blew my account. I know. For example, last night we got into a gold trade. We hit, I think, target 1. We didn't hit target 2. We almost hit target 2. Reversed all the way. I got hit break even. About 35 to 40 minutes after we took the trade, someone in the chat goes, Luca, stop loss just hit. And I was like, why are you still in the trade? Like, it was wild. Like, that shit was crazy. like, I was like, what? I was like, bro, you've been holding this whole time? Like, who told you to do that? What I missed? Someone just crashed the building at my work? What the hell? That happens in real life? That was just like in videos. Yeah, we got hundreds of cool positive people. I know, bro. My SO never got hit last night and it hit TP. That's why I said in the message, I was like, bro, we literally got a stop loss kiss and then went right to target fucking 5. Crazy. Yeah, I know. That shit was crazy. Oh, and why are we still looking to go short, bro? I have the exact same IFEG still up on the chart. Nothing's moved. I still got the same thing up. There's no other gap besides this one that I see right here on the 1 minute. I mean, here, actually, let's go here. Let's zoom in. Yeah, there's no gaps here, guys, to play off of. The only gap I see is right here that we've already respected. So even though like I do think sells, I don't really want to take it until we disrespect this gap right here. So basically it would just look like that. Why not look at gold? What do you mean? Any thoughts about the earnings today, Nvidia? I'm not sure. I don't look at that really. Any thoughts they broke? I know. But guys, like I said, is that for anyone here who's like looking for a trade, I'm sitting here, I'm looking for something. There's nothing really moving. What kind of food does your fiance make? Bro, anything. Literally cooks anything. Also fire. Literally anything. Luca, can you explain what an IFEG is? I'm still kind of confused on how it works. Awesome. You guys want a quick lesson? Or nah, no lessons. You guys don't deserve it today. Nah, I'm kidding. Nah, you guys are all the lit ones. You guys aren't the other people. All right, so an IFEG, the easiest way I'll explain it is this. Is that when you go bullish, right, where you're going like this, and you move far in one direction, you're usually going to create an inverse fair value gap. A lot of the time when you create a gap, price will come and respect the gap and continue. So a fair value gap is this, where a fair value gap is just a 3-candle sequence where both neighboring candles don't overlap. So we'll distribute hard and we'll come and we'll use it as a support to continue. We'll create another one. Right, and here. Come respect it and continue, right? So this is what price likes to do, is it'll create gaps on the way up, and this is called a bullish fair value gap. What a inverse fair value gap is when price, instead of respecting the gap and continuing, it actually closes below the gap, where it shows you that instead of respecting it and we're respecting bullish price action, this can be a potential reverse confirmation that you're like, you know what, we did not respect here, we closed below it. Let's see if we can, look for that shift of structure. That's the difference between a gap and an inverse fair value gap. Say there's 3 fair gaps in a row, what's the best way to attack it? That's when you go to kind of the different time frames, see which one makes sense, but also that's when discount comes in. That if you can take a trade within discount, it's too easy. Trading on my phone, awesome. If you guys haven't tried the new Legacy mobile app, it's super fire. The new PTP, a new trade, guys. We don't have a new trade as of now. Like, I hope you guys know that when we got on stream, we had this one bullish push right here at 1201. And now we literally have been moving sideways this whole time. Like, this is what we got presented with. This whole box. Oh, did you give us the answers as to why you wouldn't take sells on NQ? Yeah, let's ask one more time. Why wouldn't we sell NQ, guys? Sorry, we'll wrap it up right here. If you guys remember why we would overall bullish, no. So basically, like, the reason why we would take sells on US 30 is because we took out previous New York highs, we've taken out highs, and we also here, like, let's just go over to it real quick. You could see that we already came up and took out the previous New York highs, distributed lower, and retested. and we have not taken out the previous day lows, which that gives us a target. Like if we are going to take out these highs, the next level of liquidity should be looking for us to continue to the previous day lows. Instead, if you look at NASDAQ, what do we have instead? Price has already taken out all the lows. Like there's not really that many targets. The previous day low is still there, and we've already come up, and we still have the previous day highs up here. So we literally still have a target left to the upside and no more targets left to the downside. Whereas US 30, the targets have been taken to the upside, and we actually have targets to aim for the downside. Gotta learn from Luca, and everyone else does the hops on these free live streams. He does this shit for free while others charge the same thing he's doing. The knowledge statement. Appreciate you, bro. Hell yeah. Is it true there's not a Facebook peak if I black arrow account yesterday? Yes. Very true. Stuck behind bars on US 30, right? Crazy. It's gonna do what it did yesterday, guys. What did yesterday do? We chopped around all day, and then the 1250 candle came, and it freaking melted right off. Should have screen recorded this one. Lots of value in this stream. It's recorded on YouTube. You can go over to YouTube. Hey, yes, sir. With that new black arrow, though, fire. I know. I'm liking it, guys. I've been liking it. We have a miniature gap that was just created right here. You guys see? Just got one created. Let's see what happens. Hit full TP on the new account this morning, and then my car got towed. No way. No way. It's the worst. I've never gotten my car towed. I actually have a question for everyone here who's gotten their car towed. Do you know, or do you think it's stolen at first? Like, I always wondered that. How do you know, though? Oh, see, Death thought it was stolen. That's what I'm saying, bro. Like, if I came back and my Porsche's gone, like, my first thought isn't, oh, I gotta go get this from the lot. Like, I just headed directly to DPT. No way. VIN check, GPS tracker helps. Well, I know the tracker helps, but like I said, is that like, if I was tracking it, I'd think I was tracking it to someone's house, not tracking it to the freaking tow yard. I never tried anything nice to have it stolen. No, it's not even about that though. Is that like, you know, people steal whatever cars. I don't know. I literally was thinking about it. I was like, how? Like, what would you guys do? Like, literally. You're supposed to call the police station and they'll tell you if it was towed or not. The police? You call 911? How would they know if your car's towed? Thoughts on NQ? I mean, bro, I've been thinking the same thing. Same thing over and over again. I mean, when it comes to buys, I mean, bro. I mean, we still have that gap down there. I was seeing if we tap into it. No. They have to tell the police to tow for that reason. No way. I sent us me. I thought it was repoed. I thought it was repoed. I'm dead. I was 2 minutes past 5 o'clock on a computer lane. Open a second message just to walk outside. That's crazy, bro. Yeah, thank God I haven't had that happen. It's been a no power hour week, bro. I freaking guys. There's nothing I can even say about it. I can't say, oh no, like guys, like I literally think every single day told you guys that we've been caught in some freaking sideways price action. Literally. I don't know what, you know. Because it's August. 2 minutes to 12:50 candle, guys. Let's see if this will just melt or what's gonna happen. Will monthly's market start picking up? I mean, obviously September when it comes back, but you know, and yes, sir. All right, let's see here, guys. We got 1 minute left until the 12:50 candle. I think it's gonna be an uneventful one. So for those of you guys who've been trading power hour with me for like a long time, you guys have seen that there'll be certain days we go to, you know, trade and there'll be like a crazy candle up or down and, you know, whatever. When there's low volume and there's already not really like any price action, it's just not, it doesn't work. Can you call Nick a backyard again? That's hilarious. Just used. I don't know what that means. I really don't even know what that means. Nickelodeon characters. I mean, on NQ, guys, like, damn, bro. Full point down to the gap. Let's go. Y'all think this would starts the melt off? Maybe half or quarter porting is the move, yes, sir. Bill Torres took the trade from the tippy top. Did anyone sell that? You sold that? I don't know, guys. I believe in this, right? Like we have our first IFEG to take sells, guys, but I don't think I'm going to call it. You guys want to know why? We have been getting caught in set sideways action. Imagine this is the trade I call for today and it loses. That's not how I want to, you know, have our Wednesday, guys. We still have Thursday to trade. Like I feel like some of you guys want to take a trade just to take a trade, which, you know, it's fun and I would love to take this just for fun with you guys, but I know a lot of you guys are really trying to make progress on your guys' accounts. You guys are really trying to pass your funded. You guys are really trying to get payouts. And what does that do for your guys' accounts? Us just taking a random trade with low volume. You know, it's not going to help your guys' account out. You know? copying 5x 50Ks, only going for high probability setups. Exactly, that's what I'm saying, bro. You're putting all that work on those 50Ks, you know, don't force a low volume setup. Hopefully you learned something today. Hopefully we went over something that helped you on your trading journey, but you know, even though this is playing out, you know. I hope you guys do see that I obviously do care about your guys' accounts. I'm not just calling random trades trying to force something just cause. So volume is the sauce, lock that in my brain. So when we trade session opens and power hour, otherwise get chopped or SL'd. Yeah, so like that's why you know, if you trade with Mamba or whatever, how he preaches to trade over, you know, always New York session open. Why did we not get in? Because it's, you know, 1250 candle already makes it less probable, and we've been caught in this sideways movement. I kind of just said it, like right when we were here, I said, you guys can get into sells if you want. I don't feel right calling it and getting into the trade because like I could, like, the difference is this, I could lose this trade and it doesn't do anything for me, right? Like I'm just gonna take the like loss on the chin, whatever. If I take this trade and lose and you guys lose on your account, that's one step back on your funded. That's one step back on your, you know, from a payout. That's one step back from passing your challenge. And I do care about that, obviously. So I don't want to like just get you guys into a trade I don't really believe in, because then it's only going to take, you know, take it away from your guys' own personal. Right? Don't do it. I took a trade in New York, was 200 from getting funded. Got sucked in trying to pass one more, ended up 800 from being funded. Now I've learned my lesson. Damn. Coaches who call garbage setups are just trying to aura farm, right? Yeah. So at least you know, does it suck to see kind of playing out? Yeah, especially because we waited the whole session just for this one freaking trade. That does kind of make me feel like whatever, but I'm trying to explain to you guys that, like, you know, imagine I would have called it here, and then I would have called it again like right here. That would have been 2 losses, and then finally this third one played out. Wow, what the fuck? Ready to go, Luke. Appreciate you, bro. You taught me so much patience. Thank you, bro. Love Luca, but he's been second so much because of the negative comments. Hey, bro. How about you guys get on their asses? We can get back to trading. He's really curious aside from the fact that you have to go. Appreciate you, bro. Hell yeah. Damn. Wasn't here for Asia at 3 a.m. That's what I'm saying. Afghanistan, that's right now. Knowing when not to trade is arguably more important than knowing when to trade exactly. We're tough but fair. I know. Damn. What could be possibly happening right now? We had that end of day drop, bro. So I always tell you guys is that like towards the end of day, why does that 1250 candle or that 1255 candle usually lead to a good move? Is because it's the end of day where a lot of funds or a lot of, you know, a lot of actual money makers are getting out of their positions, which is causing the market to either sell off or go up, and they're getting their end of day little movements in. That's why it's called power hour. It's usually the last hour, but instead, literally, it's just been freaking chopped the whole session, and then the last 5 minutes of session, it gives us a trade. Like, what the hell? Better to protect the account than lose it all and start all over again. I know, bro. How much does it suck to like take good trades, be up on your funded, you're almost funded, whatever, and then like you go trade a session that has low volume, and you take like 2 trades with just like no volume and, you know, loss, whatever. What months are the best to trade? I like towards the end of the year, honestly, like November, I feel like is always a good month for me. July this month was my best month so far. July usually isn't the best month for me, but this year, July was a really good month for me during Asia session and during Power Hour. And then yeah, I think. Luke could post more on YouTube, I know, bro. What do you guys want to see? Let's ask, bro. Literally lost every trade I took today. Went from green days to taking all. Damn, well, how many trades did you take today, bro? A day in the life of a goat, yes, sir. I know, actually, I do have a vlog I need to release too. How do I set up copy trade? I know I need to do that for you guys. Put a video out for you guys to show you. From you by this time, I would have already done 10 trades. Before I started learning from you, by this time, I would have done 10 trades, burned 3 accounts. Now just wait for the right setup. I know, bro. And that trading's fun sometimes, but look, how do we set up copy trade? I need to do a video for you guys to show you. I want to see $100 to 100,000. I know that's not that fun, guys. Like I know those challenges are fun for you guys to watch, but that also, like, to me, gives you guys false. Like, I've been trading for 7 years. I maybe could deposit $100 and turn it into like whatever, but I don't want to give you guys like false, like, because then all you guys are gonna be trying to deposit 100, flip it into whatever, and just like kind of blowing it, you know. Go Salva. Truth mom went to 2 days alone today. Just trying to. Damn. Oh my. There's that 1 to 3 we talked about earlier in session. Wow, guys. All right, I'm out of here. Fuck. Dude, that'd be so fun to watch. What, taking 10 trades? Look, I've been trying to talk to you in forever now. What does that mean? Bro, if you have a problem or anything, just open the ticket, guys. That's why we have support this whole time. Let's go deny AK fire, bro. Good ass position. Good ass position, guys. That 1 to 3 hit just hit on YM. Wow. Guys, today you basically have another 24 hours, guys, to go get your guys' code BA40 for 40% off your guys' legacy accounts to come and freaking kill it in the chat. This, I can't even lie, guys, it's kind of pissing me off watching this. But it is what it is, guys. BA40 at checkout. I'm gonna hop off before I throw my computer. Nah, I'm joking. I can't. This would have been a banger though to end the power hour though. Wow. Maybe we just gotta start muting anyone. Salva, this is the new thing, Salva. Anyone who comes in the chat and says any like whatever, they just muted. Before it's like 3 strikes, now it's just that, like, if they come in during session and start saying whatever, bro, just mute. Just mute them for the session so we can fucking focus up. But I appreciate y'all. You guys are the GOATs. I hope to see you guys during Asia later if you guys will be there. We still got tomorrow to come back during Power Hour. And hell yeah. Yes, sir. I know. With the people out of the chat, we need to focus on the charts. I know. Maybe we make a couple of you guys can do that where you just, oh, this guy's talking shit. Boop. Bam. Boom. Gone. Oh yeah. Yeah, and that guy, I know, easy. I volunteer as tribute. I know. Can I get mod? I know. Hey, all I gotta say though is that mod is a very specific role. Because what if we give it to someone who, you know, takes advantage of it? Oh my god! What the hell? What? Did NASDAQ do it too? No, NASDAQ might take off. What the shit was that? Imagine that happened before you set your stop loss. Hey, if you guys were in those cells, I hope this is a learning lesson for why you put stop losses. Oh my god. Crazy. Wow, guys. Insane. What a crazy freaking session. A lot of yapping, a lot of talking, and I didn't even get to take one freaking trade, guys. So at the end of the day, even though I hope you guys know that I come here to do this, but I also always love coming because I want to trade. Like, I genuinely love trading. That's why I do this every day for you guys. So, SMH ran without us. Was a huge market maker, I know. Guys, this is what happens when Salva got into a position. All Salva did was click buy, and he moved the whole market up. Hell yeah. But I appreciate you guys. Thank you guys for coming. Appreciate everyone here on Discord, everyone on YouTube. You guys are lit. I will always reiterate, guys, trading is one of those things. It's you versus you. Don't pay attention to what the next person's doing. Figure out, obviously come and learn from coaches, watch videos, study up, but just know that you guys need to work on your own individual, like, what is your average risk to reward in a trade? What's your average risk? What sessions are you trading? How many trades are you taking a day? Figure that out with your own, every single person's different. You guys all have different schedules. You guys are all from different parts of the world. Figure that out with your guys' own trading. It's going to help you guys a lot. If you guys see someone in the chat in the Discord who's trading every session, winning, whatever, what does that do for you and your progress, right? It doesn't do anything. So focus on yourself and what's going on with you and your account. Figure out what you can maybe even stop doing to make your account grow even more. That's really what it is. That's what trading is you go in, you do a bunch of stuff, you figure out what's not working for you, and focus on the stuff that works, guys. You keep losing during a certain, pair, if you keep losing during a certain day, if you keep revenge trading because of whatever, write those down, journal, and figure it all out. But explanation for that candle? No, I have no idea. Let's catch one. I appreciate you, ZL1, Bebo, you're the man. But appreciate you guys. I'll see you guys back on the next one. Love you guys. Peace out. Peace out, everyone on YouTube. You guys are the best. Love you guys. Peace out.